Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing the scope. State the question or claim in one sentence so you know what to accept. Next, list 5 to 10 keywords, include synonyms, acronyms, and relevant years to broaden coverage. Once done, open 2 reliable search tools, one scholarly and one general, and apply basic filters for date and language. This reduces noise and gives immediate comparable results. You now run focused queries using advanced operators. Quotes for exact phrases, minus signs to exclude terms, cite, to target domains and file type, for PDFs or PPTs. While results load, evaluate authorship and publication venue because credibility varies, make sure dates align with your topic. Then cross-check key claims across 3 independent sources. This confirms consistency and reduces. You finish by exporting citations to a manager or a structured spreadsheet, including authors, titles, DOI, and access dates so nothing is lost. Next, format each entry to the required style and ensure consistency across the list. Finally, verify every URL and DOI and save archive copies when possible for long-term access. If a source disappears, use the archived copy. Troubleshooting tip: if a source is missing, search the DOI or title in a scholarly index and check web archives immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.